I am 100% grateful for money. Money is neutral, and what matters most is what I do with my money. I achieve great good with the wealth I accumulate. I am generous, big-hearted, and ready to help anyone in need. Wealth naturally flows to me, and as a result, I am grateful. I am grateful to my Creator for His abundant graces and generosity. I know that there is abundance in the world, and I choose to receive that abundance. I refuse to let past beliefs keep me from getting the wealth that I deserve. I reject any myths that I have believed that are unsupportive of my goals. I embrace my natural greatness and attract good things. I make more than enough money. When I make any money, I am filled with gratitude. I say, thank you, for even the smallest amounts of money, because gratitude fills me with joy and attracts more good things into my life. Money is a good thing, and I make more than enough. I am a wealth magnet. I focus on abundance. My mind is incredibly powerful. What I focus on expands. What I give my attention to grows. My mind controls the outcomes that I experience in my life. I have a mindset of abundance. I attract positive things because I constantly think about positive things. My outer life is extremely positive because my inner life is also extremely positive. Because I focus on good things, I attract good things into my life. I attract wealth, goodness, and beauty. I gratefully receive the abundance that the Creator provides me. There is more than enough for every person in the world, including me, and I choose to receive what is rightfully mine. Because I believe in abundance, I manifest abundance wherever I go and in whatever I do. It is constantly looking for ways to bring good into my life. I simply must open myself up to the endless possibilities. I live life to the fullest, enjoying and exploring all the amazing opportunities that come my way. I take action on my dreams. I receive wealth and blessings with open hands, thankful for all that I am receiving. Today, I choose to take massive action on my dreams. I know that when I combine my abundance mindset with massive action, I truly achieve limitless results. I avoid waiting for things to happen. I make them happen. I am achieving my biggest dreams. Nothing can stop me because I am relentless in pursuing them. This belief gives me great confidence as I pursue my goals and seek to accumulate wealth. I am laser focused on getting what I want, because what I focus on becomes a reality. I control all my thoughts and use them to push me toward achieving my dreams. My thoughts lead to my feelings, which lead to my actions, which lead to my reality. I affirm that this is my financially best year so far. I attract the wealth that I desire and deserve. I am a financial success in every area of my life. When I combine abundance with action, amazing things happen.